and we are still on editing and trying to make our stuff awesome. And doing that, there are a lot of things that you need to know and a lot of things that you need to be doing. And with the help of the this channel, we are going to help you to know all of the tricks and the tips that you need to be having to be doing your editing. And of course, my name is Anakwesi Eye, and I'm from Studio Room 4. And we are on the tutorials today, which is learning how to edit, and we're using Premiere Pro as usual. And welcome back. If you're new to the channel, make sure you go back to watch the previous videos that we did, and from the beginning. Okay, we've started everything from the beginning, so you can't just join. If you're new to Premiere Pro and editing, go back to the beginning, and all of the guide and the help you need is there. Watch it till you join us here. And if you don't understand anything, leave the comments below, or you can just write to me directly. You can search for me on Facebook, Anakwesi Eye, and write me, and I'll just stay in touch with you over there, and all the help that you need. We'll work together as team on the project you're working on. Today, we are still on the tricks of the editing. Okay, when you are editing and you have long time of timeline, like clips that you're working on, something like a movie you're working on, and I'm going to show you some tricks that it will be needed. It will be really important to you. You will need it when you're editing a full and a long time of clips on your timeline, and maybe you want to do what there are particular clip that you don't like. There are some actions on the timeline that you don't like, that you wish to change, or using another shorts or different action to replace clips like that. And you going through, before you go through, you just have to look at the number here, then you go long way, and you'll be searching through. Just look at it. You are just moving this, and even the tops are not even appearing to know what kind of clip that you're looking for. And I'm going to show you simple way of searching the clips over here, be it in the project panel, or even be it in your browser. Let's say the file manager, like the location that you put all of the files. Maybe you want some particular shot and replace with another clip, and accessing it through on the timeline straightforward to the place. That's what we're going to look at it. So pay attention and focus over here. How do we do this? First, it is two things. The file that you're locating, ask yourself, where is it located? Where do you want to find it? Is it in the file manager, or just on the project panel? If it is in the project panel, now this is the way you have to retrieve the particular file you're working on the timeline in the project panel. First, you have to right click on the particular clip, or the clip that you want to replace, or just change the action or the particular thing that you want to change on. Maybe you want to change this clip, okay, and you don't know where it's located but you accessing it, it's going to be a long way for you, and you don't want to save yourself from all this stress. Simple way: right click on the clip, and then just go to reveal project, reveal in project. Okay, so the particular clip that you've chosen over here, you're going to reveal it in project. You click reveal in project, and automatically it will just boom, it will select that particular clip that you selected, okay, in the project panel, and it shows you here, okay, so that you can just click on it and have access to it. And when you click here, it's going to show you the length of the clip that you used, okay, the length of the clip that you use on the timeline, and this is it. When I click on it and come to this point, that is the length that we use and it's the same. Okay, it's the same the length that we use. So accessing your file in the project panel, you right click and go to review in the project, and it will just indicate. But now that is the first way to have access to your clip on the timeline in the project panel, so that if you want to do any change a shot or change an action or anything, you just go ahead and then change it. Yes, and if you want to reveal it in your Explorer, which means the file manager, Explorer, anything, you just have to click the same process. You right click and go to reveal in Explorer, and when you click on it, it's just going to give you the location from the computer where you located, you save that particular file, and it's here. It's opening the file to you straightforward. And now this is the location where the file is. Is okay. It's opening the folder, the location, which is on C user, X-Ray FM desktop, and DCIM Canon 100. That's the location where that particular clip that you're looking for is located. So now it's given to you like this. You just have to look at the number, and the number is 5271. Okay, 5271. 5271. So we're just going to look for the clip number 5271. So we'll go to Explorer, and then we locate our file 5271, and this is it. So basically we have it. So if you want to just drag it to the friend, whatever, again, to work on it, that is it. And if you want to see it in the project panel, that is it. And when you play, everything that you see here is the clip about, or the clip itself. So let's say you're watching the clip and the actions in it, and you know you want a particular thing, but maybe on your project is not playing much for you. Okay, so that is it, and it's here. You see it in big frame like that. So that is it. And yes, that is the trick I want to show you here, which is revealing the clip on the timeline in the project panel, and at the same time revealing the clip on the timeline in the Explorer or the file manager. That is it. And another thing that I want to share with you, it's amazing, it's awesome, is when it comes to the timeline. Maybe you have hours of clip that edited, and you were doing something on it that you don't want to mess the whole thing up. It's called grouping. Okay, grouping simply means, in your own terms, group something means like you have a bunch of items and you're grouping them. Okay, I said, "Oh, can you now boom now?" I could go, baby. Now, grouping clips on your timeline is a great way when you're working. Okay, let's say you have multiple of edits over here that you want it to be seen in Act 1. Okay, so you have to just group them. Maybe this is a scene 1 concept that you've edited here. You want to group it so that when you click on this, it will just show you everything about the scene 1. So first, to do this, you have to highlight it, the whole place that you want to group. Okay, so the whole line that you want to group. Okay, so let's say I will highlight everything I want to group here. Maybe I want to group from here to here, and after highlighting it, I'll just go to right click. I'll click on any location of the clip that I have highlighted, and go to right click and just go to group. Okay, and when I click on the group, automatically it groups, it combined everything I selected as one, like this. So when you're working on something, sometimes you can move it and everything will move like that. Okay, without even using the formula of using this track select forward to. You can just group your file and then move them however you want. That is it. Okay, that is it. So it helps you to play with your have convenient timeline and work on your timeline and do stuff, and you've edited a bunch of stuff over here. You don't want to mess it up. You just have to group them and know the place that you've edited and the place that you've not edited. Okay, that is it. And another trick that I want to show you is adding colors to your clip. Okay, and if you want to ungroup it, let me show you the ungrouping first. If you want to ungroup it, the same formula, you right click on it and then just go to ungroup, and it's going to ungroup your clip for you, so that you go back to the previous way of the clip arrangement and then everything. That is it. And as I said, I'm showing you how you can give color to your clip to indicate or identify a certain thing, effect that you're working on. For example, there is this here, it's actually, let's say this is an effect, okay, and you want to identify everything effect that you've worked on your timeline. To do this, you just have to right click on this place and just go to labels, and when you go to labels, everything here are colors, the names are there, so choose the color that you want to identify by a certain effect that you're working on. So let's say forest, and it's going to change your clip to green. Okay, it's going to change your clip to green. So as you can see, there is difference between this one and this one, and if I close or let this one seen, or if I close the tops, it's going to be like this, and the numbers and the clips are there. So it helps you to identify that this color is for my effect, some effect, after effect that I've worked on, this color is for this color is for that. So it helps you to, you know, mix your editing and your arrangement very nice, and you can change them at any time. Go to label and change it to any color that you want, and you have your color again, label, and you change it to brown, and it's going to change your clip color to brown, and it helps you to access a certain location of your workflow. Okay, or it helps you to identify a portion or a particular effect you've worked on the timeline. It helps you not to waste your time at all, and it helps you to faster your editing. And there are some things too that you need to be doing. Now let's do this one. Actually, this particular one, I wanted to do it officially in one of the episode that we'll be working on, but today we learned how to, you know, add label, which is colors, to our clip. We learned how you can locate a particular clip on the timeline in the project panel, and at the same time a formula or a way you can locate your clip on the timeline in your right location on the computer, which is the Explorer or the file manager location. Okay, so that is all for you for today, and just some tricks. The editing, we've already been doing it, so don't forget, as we are doing these tricks, it's constantly, you have to learn, practice constantly. Okay, every day, every out, every time, any day, you have to practice to upgrade yourself in your editing career. Editing is all about the tricks. Okay, simply, if you understand the process, or if you understand the way your creativity, you want to arrange your things on the timeline, the rest of them is the tricks using the workstation that you're using. And a lot of tricks that we see in Premiere Pro here, you can also see it in other application workstations, and it's amazing. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial, and let it be useful to others. Make sure you share, you subscribe, you leave comments, and let this family grow, because when it grows, you also benefit. Whatever we do here, you also benefit from it. Thank you very much again for watching. My name is Nanakwesi Eya, and see you in the next video. Don't forget, this is Go In 5 YouTube channel.